Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking what's using space and making a safe backup. Open Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to view a breakdown. Once you see large categories, enable iCloud backup so you can remove files confidently. This preserves app data and settings. Make sure to offload unused apps. That frees app storage but keeps documents. Now that your baseline backup is in place, you can remove items without risking loss, and you know why each step protects your data. Next, you tackle the biggest consumers: photos, files, and apps. In Photos, enable Optimize iPhone storage so originals move to iCloud and smaller versions stay local. That reduces space without losing images. Then open Files, sort by size, and delete redundant or large downloads. Use duplicate finding tools if needed. For apps, offload or uninstall ones you seldom use and clear caches in settings where possible. By following these steps, you shrink storage use while preserving essentials. Finally, you put systems in place so storage stays manageable. Change messages to auto-delete after 30 days or 1 year to avoid message bloat. Also, prefer streaming music and video or storing media in cloud services rather than keeping large files locally. This reduces long-term growth. If you still hit limits, restart the phone and install available iOS updates because bugs can misreport space. If problems persist, reset settings as a last resort. Just remember to back up first so you don't lose configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.